Welcome to 2110 Geary Road in South Charleston, West Virginia. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home provides the perfect escape from hectic living, yet is minutes from downtown. Set in picturesque park-like surroundings, the 2,200 square foot home is tranquil and serene. From the entry, on your left, a 23 by 15 living dining room combination features a stone fireplace and large windows. To the right are 3 bedrooms and a full bath. The largest bedroom is 13 by 12 and fully carpeted. A second bedroom measures 12 by 12, and the third is 12 by 11 and currently serving as a home office. In the 16 by 10 kitchen, a full pantry provides plenty of storage. The rare wormy chestnut cabinets are a custom feature you will not find anywhere else. Passing through the convenient work area, you enter the 22 by 16 family room. A floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace is the feature here, along with a spectacular park-like view from beautiful windows. A high ceiling and custom shelves add to the lodge-like ambiance. A second full bath, laundry room, and spacious garage complete this home. If you long to escape to your very own retreat, yet still be close to city amenities, look no further than 2110 Geary Road.